Welcome to a mind-expanding journey into the realm of hyperfocus. In this captivating video, we delve deep into the art of channeling your concentration to achieve unparalleled levels of productivity and creativity. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of hyperfocus and tap into your full potential? Join us as we reveal the techniques and strategies to help you achieve a state of intense focus and flow. In segment 1W, Understanding Hyperfocus. In this segment, we lay the foundation by exploring the science behind hyperfocus. What is it and how does it differ from regular focus? Discover the brain's role in this state of deep concentration and the benefits it can bring to various aspects of your life. In segment 2, Mastering Distraction, recognizing the obstacles that stand in the way of hyperfocus is essential. We explore common distractions and the strategies to overcome them, including practical tips to create an ideal environment for focus. In segment 3, Harnessing the Power of Mindfulness. Mindfulness is a key component of hyperfocus. We delve into the practice of mindfulness meditation and how it can enhance your ability to stay present and fully engaged in tasks. In segment 4, the Pomodoro technique and time blocking. Belong together. Two powerful time management methods. The Pomodoro technique and time blocking can significantly boost your productivity and hyperfocus. Learn how to implement these techniques into your daily routine effectively. In segment 5, Nurturing Creativity through Hyperfocus. Hyperfocus is not just about productivity. It's also a gateway to creativity. We explore how to harness this state of flow to unlock your creative potential and generate innovative ideas. In segment 6, Avoiding Burnout. While hyperfocus can be a game changer, it's crucial to maintain a healthy balance. In this segment, we discuss the importance of avoiding burnout and incorporating self-care into your hyperfocusing practice. In segment 7, Finding Your Flow Activities. Discovering your flow activities is the key to achieving hyperfocus effortlessly. We guide you through exercises to identify the tasks and activities that bring you joy and allow you to effortlessly immerse yourself in the present moment. In segment 8, the mind-body connection. Understanding the mind-body connection is integral to mastering hyperfocus. We explore the role of physical well-being, exercise, and nutrition in enhancing your ability to concentrate and achieve hyperfocus. Congratulations on completing this immersive journey into the world of hyperfocus. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about future content that will continue to enhance your productivity and well-being. Links to further information and resources are available in the description below. Now equipped with the knowledge and tools to hyperfocus, you can take charge of your focus and achieve extraordinary results in all aspects of your life. Embrace the power of hyperfocus and let it become your secret weapon for success and fulfillment. Safe travels on your journey of heightened concentration and creativity.